the stuff that comes with it in so many facets, in so many areas, in terms of being an enabler, in terms of supporting our work, in terms of giving us new perspectives. I thought this is something we need to tap in as even managers of the music industry, because the debate around copyright and intellectual property will become very complicated as we move on because of AI. It's both a blessing and a curse, if you ask me. It is a blessing because it is making it is equalizing the entire ecosystem. But it's also a challenge. There will be ethical issues, there will be issues of authenticity, there will be issues of originality.
AI is here to stay, it's not going anywhere. And what we are saying is that the nation, the youth, everybody must be ready to take advantage of AI rather than complaining that AI is taking our jobs, AI is displacing us from work and all that. We can be able to utilize AI to be able to enhance our human potential.
As UNICAF, we're pretty much excited. This is a journey that we began earlier this year with a zeal to push AI outside there. A lot of people just hear about AI and they think it's ChatGPT and all that. But also, again, it's more of a buzzword to many people. They still don't know what exactly AI is. And so we are here to demystify all this.
It's an answer engine, possible research engine, and it brings together what it has been layered on top of to do and give you answers. Do I like it? Yes. It makes work easier for a student who is curious.